Need to update your credit card in the MyRogers app? It's a straightforward process designed with security in mind. First, open the MyRogers app on your iOS or Android device and log in using your username and password or biometric login like fingerprint or facial recognition. Once logged in, tap the menu icon, usually 3 lines, and select Account. Then navigate to Billing and Payments and choose Payment Methods. From there, select the existing credit card you wish to update and tap Edit. Now, carefully enter the new credit card number, expiry date, CVV, and billing address. The app will validate these details in real time via Rogers' secure servers. Finally, confirm the changes. For added security, you may be prompted to complete two-factor authentication, 2FA, via SMS or app notification. This ensures that only you can make changes to your payment information. By following these steps, you can seamlessly update your credit card and avoid any service interruptions or late fees. Remember to update during off-peak hours to avoid potential issues. MyRogers prioritizes the security of your financial information. The app uses tokenization, encrypting your card details so they aren't stored in plain text on your device, reducing the risk of fraud. All payment processes are PCI DSS compliant, meeting industry standards for data protection. If you encounter issues while updating your card, there are a few things to check. First, ensure you've entered all the card details correctly, including the CVV and billing address. Double-check the expiry date, as this is a common error. If you're still having trouble, try updating during off-peak hours, as high traffic can sometimes cause temporary issues. Rogers recommends updating outside of bill due dates. If problems persist, contact Rogers customer support for assistance. To protect yourself from phishing attempts, always update your payment information directly within the MyRogers app and never click on suspicious links in emails or texts. Enabling biometric verification adds an extra layer of security to your account.